Good Friday morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Brett Luna, and I'm still thinking that most of us are off to a dry start this morning here across the Delta, even though we are seeing that green right there on radar. Don't really think that any of that is making its way down to the surface, and if it is, just some very light shower activity going on right now. But once again, I think most areas are actually dry right now. Later on today, though, conditions will begin to change. We are expecting a lot better chance for some showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms later on this afternoon. Temperatures right now in Greenville right at 45 with winds coming out of the east at 5 miles an hour. Over in Greenwood, 48 for the current temperature in Greenwood. Winds out of the southeast at 8 miles an hour this morning. A little bit of a wider look, mid-40s for nearly everybody. 45 in Batesville, 46 in Clarksdale, 46 in Vicksburg. Jackson just a degree higher at 47. And west of the river, same story goes. 45 in Pine Bluff, 46 this morning in Bastrop, Louisiana. Here's our Futurecast view, though, and as we go through the rest of the morning, not expecting really any rain to be moving into our area. Should be staying dry for the morning. Then for the afternoon, it should be staying dry for the start of the afternoon, but then a little bit later, by about 4 o'clock, we could see some of these showers begin to move into our more western areas. That activity will continue to cross over the river, and by 5 o'clock, I think a lot of us should be seeing some of these showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms or two. If we do see any thunderstorms for today, I'm thinking the better chance for that is going to be in areas back closer to Interstate 55. So for later on this afternoon, about an 80% chance for some of these showers. That activity continuing to move through as we go through the rest of the afternoon on into the evening and overnight hours. So stopping Futurecast right here at midnight. I think most of the activity should be out of our viewing area close to midnight. That's going to be east of Interstate 55, with everybody back further west drying out a whole lot better. And then for Saturday, I think most areas, if not all areas, will be dry. Only about a 10% chance at most for a few very isolated light showers. But once again, most areas staying dry for tomorrow. Then for Sunday, conditions are going to change again. We are going to bring in about a 30% chance for some showers as a cold front will move through. And then behind that front that moves through on Sunday, that's going to be starting us off with a cooler week for next week. Temperatures today, though, upper 50s, so not too much of a difference for us than yesterday. 57 at noon, 60 at 2 o'clock, 57 by 4 o'clock. As we go on into the evening hours, dropping down only a little bit and then kind of staying pretty steady. 56 at 6 o'clock, 55 at 8 o'clock, and we'll be at 55 by 10 o'clock. Then later on tonight, upper 40s, 49 for the low temperature, mostly cloudy. Could still see some of those showers close to midnight in our more eastern areas. Otherwise, winds will be out of the south-southwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour tonight. For tomorrow, should see high temperatures reach very close to 70, if not hitting 70. So tomorrow will be one of the warmest days that we've seen recently under partly sunny skies. Winds kind of dying down a little bit for tomorrow, coming out of the south-southwest at 5 miles an hour. Then for Monday, mostly sunny, 49 behind that front, so much cooler and drier conditions for the beginning and the middle of next week.